Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to online classes of Iqra Hufaz Secondary Schools, a project of Iqra Education System. My dear students, in the last video lecture, I told you the meanings of keywords from chapter number 2, Shah Abdul Latif. I hope you have made title page and copied down keywords and their meanings in your register. If not, you must do it in your registers latest by tonight before sleeping, because there are home assignments with every video lecture. Today I am going to summarize chapter number 2, Shah Abdul Latif. But before that, you may tell me what you know about Shah Abdul Latif. I heard somebody said that he was a famous saint. Yes, very right. Let's know something more about this famous saint before knowing the summary of this chapter. His name was Shah Abdul Latif and he was son of Sayyid Habib Shah. His title was Bitai due to the fact that he spent the rest of his life on a mount called Bit, and his devotees gave him a nickname Lal Latif. He was born on 18th November 1689 AD and died on 1st January 1752 AD when he was 63 years old. Besides being saint, as you mentioned earlier, he had some other qualities, such as he was a philosopher, a Sufi scholar, mystic, poet and musician. For your information, Shah Abdul Latif is widely considered to be one of the greatest poets of the world, who narrated his message for mankind in Sindhi language. Shah Abdul Latif is worldwide recognition due to his message of peace and prosperity. Let's begin the summary of chapter number 2 in our secondary stage English book 1. My dear students, Alhamdulillah, we are Muslims and Islam is our religion. Islam is the religion of peace. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam as a blessing to the whole mankind. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam influenced the whole world by his nature and gentle ways. Whoever follows his examples becomes successful in this world and hereafter. There are many people who have followed his footsteps and spread Islam far and wide with the help of Prophet's teachings and guidance. There have been many of such followers throughout our country. For example, in Lahore, we have Shireens of Data Ganj Bakhsh and Mian Mir. In Pakpatan, we have Shireen of Baba Farid. In Multan, we have Shireens of many saints, Ghaus Bahaul Haq, Shah Rukn Alam, Shams Tabriz and some others. In Khairpur, we have Shireen of Sachal Sarmaz, while in Karachi, we have Shireen of a very famous saint, Abdullah Shah Ghazi. You must have visited his Shireen before Clifton. In Sehwan, we have Shireens of Lal Shahbaz Qalandar. In Mithankot, we have Shireen of Khwaja Ghulam Farid. In Jhang, we have Shireen of Sultan Bahu. In Bhalwal, we have Shireen of Shah Suleiman. And in Sindh, we have Shireen of Shah Abdul Latif, who we are talking about in this chapter. Shah Abdul Latif Bitai was a great saint, poet and philosopher. He was born in 1689 AD in a small village called Hala Haveli. He was son of Sayyid Habib Shah. His ancestors migrated from Herat to Sindh during the days of King Tamerlane and settled down here for the rest of their life. Shah Abdul Latif started composing poetry at very young age when he was just a boy. He was very fond of learning. He also married a lady of a noble family and lived a happy life with her. But after his father's death, he became depressed and dissatisfied with the world. So he went to live on a mount called Bit, and from there he was known to be Bitai. He spent the rest of his life there praying to God with much devotion. Shah Abdul Latif composed poetry in simple language of common people. As he was also a great musician and believed in simplicity, he simplified the music of his time. Moreover, he invented a musical instrument called tamburo, which is very popular in Sindh still now. Shah Abdul Latif died in 1752 AD at the same mount known as Bit. Famous king of Sindh, Ghulam Shah, built a shrine over his grave where his urs is held on 14th Safar every year. And a large number of people comes from far and wide to offer their gratitude. Shah Abdul Latif's followers collected his poetry and published it as Shahjo Risalo. Through his poetry, he gave the message of love and brotherhood. He believed in equality of men and pleasing God by good deeds. And according to him, it is the goal of life. My brothers, I hope you must have enjoyed this chapter and learnt informative knowledge about Shah Abdul Latif. See you in the next lecture. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.